Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best tub-to-shower conversion kit for your bathtub. The PROOX all-metal tub spout with diverter, featuring a 6-setting handheld shower with an on, off pause switch and a sleek chrome finish. If you're looking to upgrade your bathtub setup without a complicated installation process, this kit might just be the perfect solution. Right out of the box, the PROOX tub spout stands out for its durable all-metal construction. Unlike plastic alternatives, this faucet is built to last, thanks to its solid stainless steel body and polished chrome finish that adds a modern touch to any bathroom. One of the biggest hassles with tub-to-shower conversions is compatibility and installation. PROOX simplifies this with a 3-method universal fit. It's designed to connect with either 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch threaded pipes, and it also supports 1/2 inch slip-on pipes. A brass adapter is pre-installed in the spout, and extra adapters are included in the kit to make sure it fits securely without any risk of damage during installation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want to avoid the cost of a plumber, this tub spout is easy to install in just a few minutes. The diverter mechanism is cleverly designed. It features a front lift diverter that lets you easily switch water flow between the tub spout and the handheld shower. Pull it up to divert water to the shower head, or push it down to use the tub spout. This intuitive design ensures smooth operation and gives you full control without any complicated levers or knobs. Speaking of control, the handheld shower offers 6 different spray settings to customize your shower experience. Whether you want a gentle mist, a powerful massage, or something in between, there's an option for you. What really sets this model apart is the on-off pause switch on the handheld shower itself. This allows you to stop water flow temporarily without shutting off the main faucet. It's perfect for saving water while shampooing or shaving and makes your shower routine more convenient. The kit also includes a generous 60-inch hose, giving you plenty of reach and flexibility for rinsing or cleaning. The chrome finish on the hose and sprayer matches the tub spout beautifully, maintaining a consistent and polished look throughout. Overall, the PROOX all-metal tub spout with diverter and handheld shower kit delivers durability, versatility, and ease of installation. It's designed with quality materials and user-friendly features that make it an excellent upgrade for any bathroom. Whether you want to refresh an old bathtub or add a shower option for your family, this conversion kit provides a reliable and stylish solution. That wraps up our review of the PROOX tub-to-shower conversion kit. If you're interested in upgrading your bathroom with a durable, easy-to-install, and functional setup, this product deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.